Version 3.0.03 of ProRaster has a new feature called Map Zoom Linking, and this is in all of the tiers of the product, so it's in ProRaster Essential, Premium and Scientific. So I'll just create a new algorithm from the Glow30 Global DEM, and I'll just open up 4 windows, and then I'll arrange them using this system so that we can see all 4 windows on the screen at the same time. So perhaps zoom into some area in relatively common. So right click on a map to initiate zoom linking, select zoom linking, start map zoom linking. So when you do that, the map that you've clicked on becomes the broadcaster. So it's going to broadcast its coordinates to the other maps that you designate as receivers. So then right click in another map, and this can be in the same algorithm or in some completely different algorithm. It can be in the same coordinate system or in a different coordinate system, it just doesn't matter. And click on zoom linking, and then you can choose one of 4 options to turn this map into a receiver and to link its zoom extents to the broadcasting map. So I'm going to choose link to center on this map. On this map I'm going to choose link to map scale, and on this map I'm going to choose link to extent. So firstly, looking at this map here, which is linked to center. So as I move around, you'll see that the center of the top right map follows the center coordinate of this top left map, which is driving the zoom linking. This bottom left map is linked by scale. So as I zoom in and out, you'll see that the map keeps its scale at the same scale as the top left map, but it doesn't actually move and change its position in space. It just changes its scale. And then the bottom right map is linked to the complete extent. So it matches the extents of the top right broadcasting map as you zoom in and pan around. So now I'm looking at OpenStreetMaps on the left and the right. So I'll zoom into, say, Singapore, which is near the equator. And over here I'll zoom in to this ice tongue, which is right down in Antarctica. Let's turn on zoom linking, and we'll link to map scale. So according to the map scale, where we're comparing basically longitude, the width in longitude across the map, you can see that this ice tongue is absolutely huge. But there's another option for zoom linking called link to earth scale, so I'll turn that on. And now it's completely changed. So we're now comparing distance measured along a line of latitude on the Earth. So we're comparing this line of latitude down at Antarctica with Singapore. So now we're getting a real comparison between the size of Singapore and the size of this ice tongue down in Antarctica, and you can see that it's roughly the same size as the whole city. It's absolutely enormous. So that option, the zoom linking link to earth scale option, gives you the ability to do actual size comparisons between maps that are in different coordinate systems and at different latitudes, and you can be confident that the actual map scale is going to be properly compared. So for example, we can do a comparison between let's go to London So if we go to Greater London, and then in this map we'll go to Sydney, and just jiggle this map and it will change the scale of this appropriately. And so now we're doing a comparison between Greater London, defined by this ring road, and Greater Sydney, defined by the Sydney Basin and confined by these national parks to the north and south. And you can see that they're quite similar in actual scale when compared using the zoom linking link to Earth scale option.